Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17G1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS17G1 is a powerful laptop, but when it sounds like a jet engine, it can be quite alarming. This noise typically arises from dust accumulation in the cooling system or failing components such as the fan. If left unaddressed, it can lead to overheating and unexpected shutdowns, causing potential damage to your laptop. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Lay it on a soft, static-free surface. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws, as they can be of different lengths. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the cooling fan, which is usually near the CPU. This is likely the culprit of the noise. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Disconnect the fan cable carefully, ensuring you do not pull on it too hard. Next, remove the screws securing the fan to the motherboard. Lift the fan out gently, you may notice a lot of dust around it. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heatsink. If you notice the thermal paste on the CPU is dried out, this is a good time to replace it. Clean the old paste off with isopropyl alcohol and apply a small amount of new thermal paste before reattaching the fan. Secure the fan back in place with the screws, reconnect the cable, and ensure everything is firmly in place. Once done, replace the back panel carefully, making sure all clips are secured and the screws are replaced in their original positions. Power on the laptop to check that the fan is operating quietly and that the machine runs smoothly. Remember, if at any stage you feel uncomfortable with the repair, reaching out to Kelatos for assistance is always an option. To prevent future issues, ensure you clean the inside of your laptop regularly, ideally every 6 months, and avoid using it on soft surfaces that can block ventilation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.